Yeah, we gotta make the noise down in the studio. Gotta make the noise down on the radio. Gotta make the noise down on the radio. Gotta make the noise down on the radio. Gotta make the noise down on my fucking home. Yeah, we used to rock on the radio. Everybody know that you were my bro. Everybody know that I miss my hoe. Everybody know that you were in my world. Everybody know that I'm making rock-size rap music. Everybody know that I miss my bro, yeah. Miss my bro, yeah. We gotta sit down for this fucking rap. Everybody know that I miss my crap. Everybody know that you fucked any bitch, you can fucking dap. Yeah, I tapped you up. Gotta make you dance on the car. Yeah, I got a guitar and I'm making this beat. Yeah, I'm always on a piece of me. Yeah, we gotta go get a piece of me. Yeah, we making you look easy. Cause you nothing but Weezy, yeah, you love but Weezy, yeah. No. Gotta make it look easy, cause we gotta make it money, yeah. We gotta make the money, cause that's what it's fucking do, yeah. Everybody know that I'm tried, yeah. Then I tried that music out. Now we're making rock music, yeah. Gotta make the music for my family. Said we gotta make the music, but here we go again, always working on the fucking music. Dylan Vlogs.